SUV time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1994 Chevrolet Blazer Sport, two-door, 4x4. Two-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. The second owners have had this vehicle for 27 years. Owned it since 1996. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille. Bumper, bright work up front. Shows well on this one. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures of what we're going to go over in this little walk around video. You'll be able to see the underside. You can be able to see the tread on those tires. You'll be able to check out the interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic transmission with overdrive. And as you can see, the paint shows well on this one. And then take a look at this. Lots of times where you see these starting to corrode, starting to rot away, lower rockers, up and around the wheel wells, extremely clean. Something else I want to show you, and you're going to be able to see this in the still pictures. I want to show you in this video just because take a look at the undersides of those doors. I mean, there's just no corrosion. That's where you start to see them rot too, is the bottom sides of the doors. So we have white exterior with the camel or tan cloth interior, bucket seats up front. We're going to get around to the driver's side, let you check out the interior a little bit closer. I do want to mention the struts, I guess if you will, or the shocks that hold that back glass up. Those are wore. So previous owner said sell it as it is, put it in the description, and price it accordingly. So that's what we have done, and you can see that in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the rear window open and the tailgate and everything in the still pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. Now, how many times do you see these rear bumpers start to rot out from the back side? Nice shape there. Towing package, of course, with lighting already hooked up. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Two-owner vehicle. Take a look down this driver's side. So we have a little touch-up spot here just in that kind of wheel flare. But again, overall, you can see the paint does show well. You're going to find an imperfection here or there. It's a 1996, but compared to a lot of them you've seen the same vintage that definitely have not been cared for like this one, no doubt about that. I'm going to show you the underside of this door too, because it just amazes me how clean and solid this truck is. Take a look at that. And you'll be able to see the still pictures underside. This thing's also very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC, mentioned that earlier. Now we got power locks, power mirrors, power windows. This also has the rear hatch release here. And on the other side, there's rear defrost and the rear wiper. AM, FM cassette player in this one. Get to the exact miles here in just a second. Headliner good. Seating surface. You can see very little wear there. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes, anything major as far as the seating surface goes. I'm going to show you the back too here in a second. So seating area in the back, also free of rips, tears, holes, and in nice shape. And you'll be able to look at plenty of the pictures of the rear seats as well as the cargo area in this one. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles. 115. 728 confirmed original miles. Again, with that clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I have had the stereo working, I've had the wipers working, I've had the rear wiper working here. All right, there's your gauges also if you want to check those out. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up, but oil pressure looks good. Battery, fuel gauge, tach also. This is a power driver's seat too, by the way. Forgot to mention that earlier. Sounds as you'd expect. That 5.7 liter to sound. Well, it's a clean one. You don't see a lot of these two doors around anymore either. Getting fewer and further in between. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Take a look at this hood liner. I don't think this thing's been driven much in the inclement weather at all. Very clean. And just lack of corrosion underneath the hood. Nice and clean. Yeah, remember this thing's coming up on 30 years old. It shows well. There's a battery disconnect. In case you stored it all or in between driving, you disconnect that battery. Sounds good, no exhaust leaks, belts, wheels, tensioner pulleys, anything like that. In 5.7 liter. And remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 1994 Chevrolet Blazer Sport, 2-door, 4x4. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet Blazer in white with a tan interior. This is a very nice truck. Runs good. Automatic on the column. Factory stereo does work great. We do also have the factory equalizer, but you don't see that often. Air conditioning is blowing cold right now. There is a little bit of a jiggle to one of the tires. Could just be from sitting. These vehicles are in storage quite a bit. Cruise control is functioning. Our oil pressure is about 60. Temperature just coming off of 100. The volts are at 14 for the battery. And the fuel gauge is reading about a quarter. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays nice and straight. Brakes are smooth and working well. We have a center console with cup holders and storage between factory cloth bucket seats. Corners well, corners as it should. Our wipers are working. Factory tachometer also working well. Very comfortable, good condition Chevrolet Blazer. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.